Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this cute and easy Easter basket with a few supplies I have at home. For more awesome videos, please subscribe, like the video, and turn on post notifications as well to never miss a video. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. To initiate with our DIY project, I will get any construction paper I have at home with the measurements of 15 times 15 centimeters or 15 times 12 centimeters. You will start by folding the first half of the paper towards the center, and you will have to really crease it well so you can see the crease when you open it up. Then we're gonna take the other half of the paper and get it towards the center where we previously creased it or folded, and this is how your paper should look like. Then we're gonna take the other side. We're gonna fold half of it and creasing it really well and neatly to see all the creases when we are done. From that, we're gonna get the other half and crease it as well, and you will have like a total of like 9 squares. Then we're gonna take the whole paper and fold it in half as any project I did on this channel, and crease it really well to get all the creases. We're gonna take our pair of scissors and we're gonna cut one of the squares that you guys see here, and don't get confused with the other squares. We're gonna cut the 3 squares from one side, then the other 3 on the other side, and don't cut it all the way through. If you do, then there's going to be a big mistake on this project, and then there will be no good results. And then we're going to be taking in the pair of scissors and cut it as little corners so there can be like a good shape of it. Then we're going to take our glue stick. We're gonna glue from one side, and then we're gonna glue it to the other side like it is, like you guys see on the screen right now. You just glue it, stick it to the side where I told you guys, and from that on we're going to be getting some little straps of paper. So I cut some yellow and red straps of paper. You're going to take the smaller paper and glue it to the bigger paper. We're gonna glue the sides of the straps and glue that to that basket, and make sure it's glued all the way. And next I took a little piece of paper and drew a heart and took a pair of scissors to cut that out. And the heart, I'm gonna use that to make some decorations and adorn the basket I did. And if you want to do more things to the little basket, you can. And also, if you don't have a lot of supplies at home, you can make some little hearts, flowers, or just do it yourself as stenciling out with some little pictures that you have. And you can also make this project with any other different color of papers. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's BeautyJane25. Bye.